180-day loop. Wiped out! Upgrading the wipers on our Mainship Pilot 34.
So this is the new wiper motor. And this is the old wiper motor. And this is the new wiper arm. Next thing, I got to take the old wiper motor off. This motor didn't fail, the other one failed, but this one's probably not far behind. So the new motor shaft, it doesn't have room for this mounting bracket for the pantograph. So I'm going to cut off the hole that normally goes around the wiper arm shaft, and I'm going to drill another hole and put a bolt in it so that it can secure the pantograph arm without attaching to the shaft. I'm going to use these handy little work anvils that they put on the dock for us. I'm going to see if I can clamp this on here with my vice grips. You gotta love this tool. And then I've got a mini hacksaw, and I'm gonna cut just beyond the. The other thing I need to do is drill a hole in this here in the center, close to the edge. Now I need to drill a new hole for this attachment here.
Switch, right? Switch a light on. What's it set on?
It's set on 80.
Okay.
So we want to set it to 100. There's two ways to set the 100. I could move this arm down to here while turning the shaft a little bit, and that would be at 100. And I believe that would park it to the right. So to park it to the left, I believe we have to turn the entire gear 180 degrees, take these screws out, turn it 180, and set it in the 100 up here. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Let's see if this works. All right, the moment of truth. Did we get this right, or is it gonna bind up in some crazy way because I didn't park it right?
Just tapping at the top there. Looks good.
High five.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching.